Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's go ahead and take a look at ARPA over here on the 1 hour time frame. And if we take a fib from this capitulation wick up to the peak over here, and we take a look at the 70.2% fib, you see we have perfectly hit that 70.2% fib. We also have bullish divergence. Okay, so you see how we have equal lows, but the RSI is printing higher lows. So that is bullish divergence. When we also zoom in here on the, let's go to the 45-minute time frame, we see accumulation at the lows. Okay, so this is your accumulation at the lows. You see how we're above the range now, and we're finding support off the 45-minute time frame EMAs, along with the daily EMAs as well. You see how we're piercing through all the daily EMAs, and what bulls want to see is they want to see a move back above the 50%, which we should get it today. But more importantly, a move back above the 50-day SMA, which is a little bit above the price right now. Okay, so right over here at 0.06126, that's the 50-day SMA. Once you get above that level, it's game on for ARPA. Okay. Let's also take a look at the 21-day SMA. Okay, so we are piercing above the 21-day SMA, and we're piercing through all the daily EMAs. We're on top of a range on the small time frame, and it looks like we're about to pierce to the 50. So it looks bullish here. However, if we get above this level over here, we can confirm a bottom, okay? Because Wyckoff accumulation may turn into distribution, but at the same time, many factors are lining up to say that ARPA is bullish. We also have a falling wedge over here. So this is a falling wedge right over here. Okay, so if we go on the 4-hour time frame, okay, so you have a 3-wave move down, a 3-wave move up, and another 3-wave move down. Okay, so sorry, 3-wave move down, 3-wave move up, 3-wave move down in your C wave, and another 3-wave move down in your E wave. So remember, if we don't get above the 50-day SMA, then we'll probably come down for what's called a wave 5 overthrow. Now, what a wave 5 overthrow is when you have a rising wedge or a falling wedge, your 5th wave usually comes down to take out the liquidity resting below trendline support, because you have a bunch of retail buy stops located over here, but it may not do that. Okay, especially if you get above the 50-day SMA, then it's game on for ARPA, right? It can come down like this towards the 21 and 30 week, sitting at the supply zone. Okay, sitting at the supply, and then have your wave 5 overshoot, right? And then continue up from there. So this is your creek. This is your creaking phase. You see how we have a creek to the downside? Very long and painful. And to the average eye or to the average retail investor, they think that with every low this sets, This is the bottom, right? But in actuality, they're just getting chopped out. So remember, what you have is you're going to have a peak. So let's say you have a 5-wave move up. Okay, this is your 5th wave. This is your peak. You come down, have your capitulation, have a move back up to the supply zone, which forms a double top. You come down one more time, and as you're coming down, you come down slow. And then for your E wave, you come down fast and sharp. So this is what's called your creek. And then you have a full ABC correction. So this over here is your A wave, this is your B wave, and then this is your C wave. And then you have, so this is your spring right here. You have a initial advance, you have a throwback, and then a jump across. Okay, so this is your jump across the creek. So we're seeing that exact same thing here with ARPA. So I hope you guys enjoyed the ARPA video. If you have any questions, just let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.